Dear students, myself Shiva HB, Assistant Professor of Physics. In this lecture, we will study about neutral temperature and inversion temperature. Let us recall what we have learnt in the previous class. We have seen that Peltier effect is reversible process. Thomson effect is also a reversible process. All the three effects occurs simultaneously. That means Seebeck effect, Peltier effect and Thomson effect, all three thermoelectric effects occur at the same time in case of a thermocouple. We have seen that Seebeck EMF is the sum of Peltier and Thomson EMF. Expression for Peltier coefficient is pi is equal to T dE by dt. Let us move on to thermo EMF versus temperature graph. This is the graph which represents thermo EMF of a thermocouple versus temperature. On x-axis we have taken temperature as a variable. On y-axis thermo EMF is a variable. If we go on increasing the temperature, thermo EMF go on increasing up to certain point. It will reach the saturation point. At that point, that temperature is called as neutral temperature. And if we further increase the temperature, that thermo EMF becomes decreasing up to certain point. That means it will reach zero at certain temperature. That temperature is called as inversion temperature. If you further increase the temperature, then it will reverse its direction and it will go on increasing. This is all about thermo EMF versus temperature graph. By looking at the graph, we can say that thermo EMF versus temperature graph is a parabola, or we can say that thermo EMF is a parabolic function of temperature in case of thermocouple. Here we have defined two temperatures. One is neutral temperature, another one is inversion temperature. Let us see what are those. Neutral temperature Tn. It is the temperature of the hot junction at which the EMF becomes maximum. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಥರ್ಮೋ EMF ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂಥ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಟ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕಾಪರ್ ಐರನ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಕಪಲ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ರೋಮೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿಲ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಕಪಲ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅವೆರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Now we will see what is inversion temperature Ti. Inversion temperature Ti. For a particular temperature of cold junction, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹಾಟ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ thermo EMF becomes 0 and changes its direction is called as inversion temperature. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಮೋ EMF 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಥರ್ಮೋಕಪಲ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಟ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಥರ್ಮೋ EMF ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಥ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಥರ್ಮೋ EMF ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಟರ್ನ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಮೋ EMF 0 ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಇಂಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಝೀರೋಯಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು Tn, ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು Ti. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ Ti ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ Tn ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ we will derive the expression for neutral temperature. For that we need the thermo EMF in a thermocouple, which is given by E is equal to AT plus B by 2 T square. Here E is thermo EMF of a thermocouple, T is temperature of the hot junction, and temperature of the cold junction is kept at 0 degree centigrade. A and B are called as thermoelectric constants. Now differentiating this equation we get dE by dt. That means we are differentiating thermo EMF with respect to temperature. dE by dt is equal to A plus Bt, because if we differentiate T with respect to T, we will get 1. A is constant, A into 1 is A, this is the first term. Here B by 2 is constant. By keeping B by 2 as constant, we differentiate T square. Differentiation of T square with respect to T is 2 into T. Numerator 2 and denominator 2 gets cancels. We are left with T into B, that is second term is Bt. Therefore, dE by dt is equal to A plus Bt. At neutral temperature, that is T is equal to Tn, thermo EMF becomes maximum, that is E is maximum. Whenever thermo EMF is maximum, its differentiation dE by dt is 0. That means slope at maximum is 0. By substituting this value in the above equation, we will get A plus B Tn is equal to 0. I have substituted T is equal to Tn here. If we rearrange for Tn, we will get the expression for neutral temperature, that is Tn is equal to minus A by B. This is the expression for neutral temperature. Now we will move on to derive expression for inversion temperature. For that we need thermo EMF of a thermocouple, that is given by E is equal to AT plus B by 2 T square, where T is temperature of the hot junction and temperature of the cold junction is kept at 0 degree Celsius. At T is equal to Ti, that means the temperature of the hot junction is equal to inversion temperature. In that case, thermo EMF becomes 0, that is E is equal to 0. Substitute this in the above expression, we will get 0 is equal to ATi plus Bti square by 2. Here T is equal to Ti, E is equal to 0. Or if we rearrange for this, if we take out ATi to the left hand side, we will get Bti square by 2 is equal to minus ATi. Ti square on the left hand side is cancelled with Ti of the right hand side. That means 1 Ti will be left in the left hand side, and if we send B by 2 to the right hand side, we will get inversion temperature expression as Ti is equal to minus 2A by B. This is the expression for inversion temperature. Ti is equal to minus 2A by B. Let us summarize what we have learnt today. We have seen that graph of thermo EMF versus temperature is a parabolic curve. Temperature of the hot junction at which the EMF becomes maximum is called as neutral temperature. Neutral temperature expression is given by Tn is equal to minus A by B. The temperature of the hot junction for which thermo EMF becomes 0 and changes its direction is called as inversion temperature. The expression for inversion temperature is given by Ti is equal to minus 2A by B. By comparing these two equations, we can say that inversion temperature is greater than neutral temperature. by looking at these two equations, we can say that inversion temperature is twice of neutral temperature. These are the sum of references.